Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to left panel and click on the calendar option. Now here on the screen we need to click on new meeting. Once this window open, here you need to enter the title for your meeting. So just for the sake of this video I'll type test. Here you can enter the names or email addresses of the people whom you wanna invite in the meeting. So by just following this way you can add multiple people in your meeting. Then right here on these options we need to choose the starting date of the meeting and starting time of the meeting, just like this. Here you can choose the ending date and ending time of the meeting. If you wanna hold this meeting for a day, you can just toggle on this option. From this option you can set your meeting on repeat, like daily, weekly, monthly. Then here you can add the location if you like. On this box you can just enter the details for your meeting. If you look at on the right side, here they ask who can bypass the lobby. So here you can just choose that. You can choose who can present the meeting. Once you fill all of the information, just click on send, and yeah, as you can see the meeting is created, and this is the link for the meeting. In order to copy this, just click on the copy button, and now you can just close this window. If we look at in the calendar, you can see that this is the meeting which we have created. So here you can see all the information, like when the meeting will start, when the meeting will end, as well as from here you can just copy the link again and just send this to people whom you wanna invite. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can create meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.